join us in commemorating this important milestone with a smile. Ms. Savita Lakshmanan, Global HR Head Tagit, is next on stage.
Honorable Minister and our first CEO, Additional Chief Secretary and beloved Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Srikanth, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Through the new initiative department, we are going to exchange MOU with 3 government agencies from Union Government. The first one is from the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It's a respect to the employment component, but this one project is very unique that Government of India has conceived to deliver training program to the higher educational teachers as well as the polytechnic and ITI teachers, industry as well as the emerging technologies. They have conceived this project to train 135,000 students in the next 5 years of time to ensure that the electronic system design manufacturing industry is getting the adequate skilled manpower for their organizations, where ICT Academy is going to contribute training 11,800 faculty members in the state of Tamil Nadu. The project which has been allocated to us to train 11,800 students very specific to the state of Tamil Nadu in the higher educational institutions, engineering technology colleges, arts and science colleges, as well we are going to deliver program for the polytechnic and ITI students. For that they have allocated the fund for the next 5 years of time, where we will be in the process of developing 50 new programs for training these 11,800 teachers, and we require support from the corporate partners to develop these 50 new emerging technology programs as well as the electronic system design manufacturing program. That's very, very significant that these 11,800 teachers are going to deliver the same program to minimum 50 to 100 students, so that we are going to create more skilled manpower for the electronic system design manufacturing as well as the IT/ITES industry. And the second important project which we are going to exchange today is to train 8,000 students with the funding of National Skill Development. Next. In IT/ITES and banking and finance sector as well as retail sector. This program, which we are going to cover the entire, starting from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, we are going to deliver this particular training program with the funding of National Skill Development Corporation. And we have initiated the process, and we are in the process of mobilizing these 8,000 students. And for the state of Tamil Nadu, we have got the allocation to train 1,000 students. And all these students will undergo not only the training program, they will also undergo the on-job training program, as well as the placement opportunity will be provided to all the 8,000 students, where Government of India will recognize this training program under their PMKVY project in the 4th version of PMKVY project. Thanks to Government of India for allocating the fund for training these 8,000 students. And the third important MOU which we are going to
It's with great pleasure that we welcome our esteemed partners, government partners, for today's MOU exchange. President Electronic Sector Skill Council on the stage. Next on stage will be Mrs. Sundaravali, Department of Employment and Training. We are honored to have her as a to welcome Mr. Jason Charles A. Nader. We have Mr. Jason Charles A. Nader on the stage. Thank you, ma'am. Next on stage will be Mr. Ashok Balasubramaniam. We have Mr. Ashok Balasubramaniam, Chief Executive Officer, Open Weaver, on the stage now.